Good evening. This is my UML class diagram for my new system. You'll see that over here we start with the login page, which is the gateway into our system. This is on one of the selling points of my new system, of the new system. If the user is not an existing user, then they gotta go to new user and do registration. And if you're an existing user and you forget your password, then you can go ahead and forget password. Right. Once you get into the system, you have order entry, and you can populate the order entry. And once you populate order entry, you will get your order number, which is what's one of the key selling points, the second key selling point to the system. And you sync your stuff, sync the information to the database. Then you got work instructions. Then you have the client, the new client here, where you can enter all the information. And of course, you can generate your invoice at the end, which is a product of your new client and from your work instructions. It also shows you the relationships here. I am going to just make my class a little bit bigger so you can see it a little bit better. I'm using Lucidcharts again. Yeah, there are several programs you could have used. So you will see a login here. You see the login class, new user, and the forget password right here. Alright, you look at order entry, you will see some quite typical stuff, but here quantity, tolerance, and invoice split and terminal name are specific to the oil and gas industry. Then get order, as we mentioned here, then work instruction, type of service, type of inspection, number. These are all stored in the database, so these codes will all just fetch those data. Client ID, of course, will populate the database with a relational database, and then we'll go down here to invoicing. So this is just an overview of my class diagram. I'll make it like this, and I use the Lucidchart. You could use Visio. There are a plethora of softwares you could use. Thank you very much.